OneOdio sent me these headphones for my review. These are the Fusion A71. I love the way they look. I love that nice little splash of red right here. Of course, you've got that really comfortable padding, really nice, I mean, left and right, look at this. Super nice, and I love the fact that they actually swivel onto the side as well. So depending on the shape of your head, depending on also, like if you want to be like kind of like DJ style and have it like flipped, you can do that as well. But my favorite part about it, and we're not talking about that little really cool little bag, kind of like dust bag that comes with it. My favorite part about it is that it comes with two different cables. And I'll explain to you why this is my favorite part. Because you do have the 1/4-inch cable all the way to the 3.5. And why this is important is because it depends on what you're gonna be hooking it up to. I've got a digital I/O for my computer and it only takes 1/4-inch. So obviously, if I only had 3.5 to 3.5, I couldn't use it. But this is great if you've got an MP3 player, if you've got a tablet or anything like that, boom, that works with this. But in my case, this is what I would need. And the cool thing is why this works on both ways, because you have a 1/4-inch and you have a 3.5. So it's kind of like giving you the option, which I really like. So of course, 1/4-inch would go in here, and I would be able to have the 1/4-inch and connected straight into a small plug. But in my case, the only way I can connect these headphones into my digital box is with 1/4-inch, or I would have to use the 1/4-inch in here and then use it like this. That's why it's so cool, because you could use both ways and then just go like this. And there is a way, and I like this, you have to do it on the proper way because there's a notch here. So I just line up the notch, boom, it's in, and then I can use the 1/4-inch. Love the fact that it is a coil like this, so it's not going to tangle so easily. That's a really nice plus. But yeah, for me, having the option of using this kind of cable or using this kind of cable, that's a really huge plus. And then when I'm not using it too, I love the fact that you can completely unplug, have this, either I have it on a stand on my desk and it looks really, really nice, completely wire-free, or you just bring it in and look at this, how small of a package it is, and then bring it in here and bring it into your OneOdio bag and you are good to go. That is the best part.